Hey everybody, I'm going to be unboxing something rather special to me in the studio today. This is the sales kit for the Kirei New Horizons product launch that I helped work on. Let's get into it. Alright, it's a pretty big box that every salesperson at Kirei gets, but it's a lot of great products. So typically this kit would be taken to meetings to show designers and architects the new products. So let's see what we have in the box. Alright. So this first product is Echoline Subway. And this product, like all the products in this box, are made out of a 60% recycled PET. So it's actually made up of 60% recycled water bottles. This diverts water bottles from going into the landfill and places them into a product that goes into commercial architectural installations where they might be for decades. So it's a really cool product. This first one is called Subway. What I wanted to do with this product was just create a little bit more of a traditional look that maybe a designer or an architect might want to do anyway out of subway tiles, but instead to make it out of this recycled PET. These are all the spec sheets as well as a bunch of postcards. I love postcards for some reason. But yeah, you could see these being kind of left off at an interior designer's office. And then this is kind of cool. I actually made a playlist to go along with this product launch. And by scanning the QR code on this postcard, it actually will take you straight to the Spotify playlist, which is pretty cool. I almost always make a playlist for every project I work on, so it's kind of fun to see a client bring that to life. The second product in the box is called Echoline 45. So Echoline is one of Kirei's most popular products. It's just a huge panel that has these grooves cut in it. And it's always been at a perpendicular to the panel. And so we just thought, wouldn't it be cool to just cut it at a 45-degree angle? You could install it at a 45-degree angle, but it'd be a real pain. You have to trim every single panel. This way it just comes out of the box at 45-degree angles in 4 different sizes. So this one is a 0.5-inch spacing, which is really tight. It makes for a really nice tight look. 1-inch spacing, a 2-inch spacing, and a 4-inch spacing. The next set of products in the box are the Embossed Collections. So these products were actually developed by a company in Australia called Woven Image, and there's 3 different looks. This is a compression molded version of the PET panel called Echo Panel. So it's a heat compression that gives you this kind of a look. This first one is called Gem. It has an almost like textile look to it. It almost feels like the mesh on a sneaker. Also has kind of a mid-century vibe to it. Next is Ion. So this one's kind of this kind of fractal look to it. And then Zen, which is this linear look, but it's actually this really soft kind of a cross section, which is really nice. But yeah, you can see all the recycled PET on the backside there. And then this one is my personal favorite. This one I've been working on for a long time. This product is called Echo Edge. So one of the ways to improve the acoustic performance in a room is to just add more of this product to the walls. So the benefit of adding this PET product to the walls is that it absorbs and diffracts sound waves, so reduces echoes, makes a room just kind of sound better. Especially a room that has a lot of hard surfaces like hard floors and glass walls. So this product, Echo Edge, what I did here is by having these individual fins stick out, we're getting a lot more product in the room. We're also creating a lot more geometry for the sound waves to kind of bounce off of and diffract from. So it's gonna really reduce reverberation in a room. And so we launched this in 3 different looks. This first one is called Echo Edge Level, and that's because all the fins are level with one another. The second is called Echo Edge Wave. And so this product actually has these kind of sine waves that stretch out over the length of these fins. And it just creates a really cool shadow effect across the wall. And the last one is called Echo Edge Pulse. And you can see the fins are actually different heights. So they kind of go in increasing and then decreasing heights. And it makes for a sine wave in the other dimension on the wall. The effect is it almost ends up looking like this kind of billowing shape on the wall, which I think is really unique, really striking. So super excited about this product, Echo Edge. And then the last product in the box is called a scent tile. So this is a rather large tile. This is the reason why the box is so big. It's actually held onto the wall with these plastic clips that go into the corners. And so it's really easy to nail those clips in and put these panels up without doing too much kind of permanent damage to a wall. But this is another heat molded product. The cool thing about this is you can actually infill the back with more PET to absorb a lot more sound. And then also obviously you're putting a lot more water bottles out of the landfill when you do it that way. Really cool to see this project come to life. It's been a little bit over a year working on these products, so just can't wait to see what architects do with them, what interior designers do with them, and how they get installed in buildings.